Hello guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe. Today's video I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to do a clean girl makeup, and this is my own version of a clean girl makeup. The first thing I did as usual is starting off with my brows. Outlined it with my brow pencil, filled it up, and I made use of a concealer for the lower parts and a foundation for the upper parts, just to bring out the shape and give it a more good finished look. Just like I usually say in my previous videos, take your time while drawing your brows. Drawing of your eyebrow, drawing of eyebrows isn't that easy, because you should know eventually you don't come out with two same brows, two perfect looking brows. One might be okay and the other might not. But just take your time while doing it. So the next step is to apply your primer. So I put little primer on my brush and applied it all over my face and let it dry. Once it's dry, you go in with your color corrector. I made use of a darker shade concealer. I just took a random brush, a little brush, dipped it inside and applied that on the areas I have spots. I have dark spots. So this will help blend in your foundation well and give you a better coverage. So once you're done with that, the next step is to apply your foundation. So I went in with little amount of foundation. You know, this video is about a clean girl makeup, so make sure everything you use is little. It should be minimal. And make sure you're using a wet beauty blender in order for it to blend well into your skin, the foundation to blend well into your skin. Just keep dabbing, 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 dabbing until you get your foundation fully blended. So the next step is to apply your concealer. Just apply it on areas you want to highlight. So I applied mine, as you can see. So the next thing I did was to blend it in and blend all of it in. So I was done with that. I went in with a brush that has no product on it, just to clean out the edges for my nose contour, just to make it look cleaner and pop even more. Once I was done with that, I went in with my setting powder to set the parts that I highlighted with my concealer. So what I did was to dust it off immediately. I didn't wait for it to sit for a while. I just dust it off immediately because we are trying to minimize here. We're trying to go low with the products while making use of our face, because this is a clean girl makeup, a simple makeup tutorial. So the next step is to apply your mascara. I applied it both on my upper lashes and my lower lashes, just to make your eyes pop even more. So guys, we're almost done with this tutorial. The next thing I did was applied a lip liner. I made use of a brown lip pencil and a clear lip gloss for my lips, because I want this to be as simple as possible, as clean, just natural as possible. So this is my own version of a clean girl makeup tutorial. Once I was done with the lip, I went in with my setting spray, and that is it. That's all. Please guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like, comments,